Hello and welcome to my June rental income update for my 56 Dubai properties over on the Stake investment platform. Stake, of course, being the platform where you can buy shares of Dubai rental properties, then earn a passive income through tenants renting them out, as well as the capital appreciation of the property going up in value. Now, before I share with you what I got paid in June 2025, just got a couple of things I'd like to go through. So on the laptop then, just wanted to answer one subscriber's question which they asked, and they basically said, I started with Stake last year and wanted to ask why in the last 12 months it says that I just invested £478. I think it's a bit higher now, 500 and something. And it says, why don't you increase your capital? It seems that you don't invest anymore and just rely on monthly income. So basically, Stake isn't the only platform I use for investing. I use others like Invest Engine and Free Trade, which are UK only platforms that you can buy stocks with. But yes, essentially what I do with Stake is I get the rental income paid out and then I'll reinvest that and buy more shares of properties. And also when a property is sold, I'll then save that money and wait till there's a good opportunity on Stake. The money in there is now growing itself. I will on occasion add a bit more money, like £50, £100 here and there. And speaking of which, I recently had a property that sold, which was a studio in Central Park Towers. It was bought in April 2023 for 1.2 million dirhams or £240,000, and it's just been sold in the month of June. Everything was completed for 1.6 million. That's an increase, of course, of 400,000 dirhams, which is roughly around £80,000. That gave a total property appreciation of 33.26%. And if I scroll down here, you can actually see my returns from this one. 503 dirhams, which was a 25.14% gain. Investment value, I put in 2,000 dirhams with an average cost of 1 dirham. Investment period of 26 months, of course, April 2023 to June 2025. Total returns, 2,500 dirhams. And then it's showing there how it's broken down. So the final sale, how much I got returned, plus the rental income of 209.9 dirhams. What's interesting to look at with this is if you would have invested all of the money in there, so I believe there is a limit that you can do per property to stop people like buying the whole property themselves. But if you could, just interesting to work it out, £240,000 and it returned total income 37,847 over those 26 months there. So if we did 37,847 divided by 26 months, that's £1,455 per month of rental income. So if you're someone living in the UK, have a think about what kind of properties you could have bought just over 2 years ago for 240 grand and what they could have rented out for. Do you think you could have brought in £1,455 a month in rental income? You can actually see it here in my list of properties now. £500 back, 25.14% gain, rental income of £41.96. But on the main portfolio dashboard then, to round off the video, in the month of June, you can see I had £60.24 rental income. You can see total rental income now of £843, and then a total appreciation of 2,816. If you've not yet joined Stake, there is a sign up link down in the description, which just for onboarding through that link will get you 150 dirhams sign up bonus, which is about £30 or roughly $45 to $50 currently. So do check that out if you're not yet a Stake user. If you enjoyed the video or had any value from it, please do tap the like button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.